Welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to boost bass on Windows 10 and 11 to make your speaker sounds better. This is the Bass Boost Setup Guide. To improve your audio quality on Windows, start by right-clicking on the sound icon on your taskbar and selecting the playback device from the list available devices. Find and select your speaker. In my case, I have MC-PW9 speakers. Then double click it to open the properties windows. Once the windows appears, navigate to the enhancement tab and look for the bass boost, and here is the bass boost. Make sure the checkbox next to it is selected and then click the settings button below to customize the effect. So here you can adjust the frequency and boost level to your specific preference to get the perfect sound. So once you finalize the boost setting, then click OK to save your setting and then click apply and again click OK on the main properties window to ensure all the changes are fully active. And that's all. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.